Okay. After taking a check for missing attribute, now next step would be loading. Okay. Now next step would be loading. Okay. For loading, again go to command. Okay. In command, go to loading. Okay. In loading, select primary load. Okay. काय काय केलं आपण? For loading, go to command. In command, go to loading, and in loading, select primary load. Okay, just click on primary load and this window will open. Okay, in this window, select loading type. Okay, in this window, select a loading type. As a dead, first load will be a dead load. Okay, so just give a title to this as dead load. Dead load. Click on add. Okay, just click on add. Okay. So for first loading will be dead load and second loading will be our live load. Okay, just give a title to it as live load. Okay, and click on add button. Okay, हा है dead load, हा है live load. Okay, now assign a dead load. Okay, for that just go to dead load. Okay, click on add. Okay, click on add. Dead load, first dead load will be a self weight. Okay, just click on self weight. Okay, direction will be global y-axis with the factor -1. Okay, and just click on add. Okay, now assign. Now here you can see a question mark. That means the load is not yet get assigned. Okay, ओके फॅक्टर काय आहे ठीक आहे आपण लोड कॉम्बिनेशन्स मध्ये फॅक्टर यूज करतो फॅक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी ओके तो 1.5 इंटू डेड लोड इंटू लाईव्ह लोड असा फॅक्टर असतो 0.9 इंटू डेड लोड इंटू लाईव्ह लोड असा फॅक्टर असतो राईट तो फॅक्टर सो सेल्फ वेट साठी फॅक्टर किती असणार आपला 1 ठीक आहे ऍज पर IS कोड ओके okay so just click on self weight and assign it. That question mark indicates that your load is not get assigned yet and please assign. Okay, so just assign the load, click on self weight and click on assign to view. हो हो -1 फॅक्टर -1च होता इथे बघायचं का फॅक्टर हा -1च आहे -1 बिकॉज इट्स इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन आपला सेल्फ वेट कसा ऍक्ट होतो ग्रॅव्हिटीमुळे खालच्या डायरेक्शनला ऍक्ट होतो राईट म्हणून -1 ओके गॉट द पॉइंट ओके नाउ जस्ट क्लिक ऑन सेल्फ वेट okay good now click on self weight to assign the self weight click on self weight go to assign to view and assign it okay okay assign it. Okay, now go to live load. Okay, go to live load and add the live load. Okay, just click on add. Okay, live load. For live load, go to floor load. Okay, and my live load will be minus 3 kilonewton per meter square. Minus sign indicates that the load is in downward direction. Okay, okay. So the range, now we need to give a range for live load. Okay, now we need to give a range for live load. Minimum, they're asking minimum range in meter and maximum range in meter. Okay, so minimum is 1.5. okay, minimum is 1.5 and maximum 3. 1.5 plus 3 plus 3, that is 7.5. okay, okay, and now click on add and close. Okay, here you can, here can you see a question mark? No, right? That means काय म्हणतं ते? That means your load has been assigned. Okay, okay, can you see this load? असं ट्रायंगल मध्ये हा लाईव्ह लोड असाइन होतो. ओके, ट्रायंगल मध्ये फ्लोर लोड हा असाइन होतो. ठीक आहे, समजलं? हे नेक्स्ट टाइम तुम्ही सांगणार आहे आणि मी, तुम्ही इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स देणार आहे मला आणि मी त्या फॉलो करणार आहे. ठीक आहे, हे समजलं का? लाईव्ह लोड कसा असाइन केला समजलं? Okay, now the next step will be load combination. Okay, after loading, the next step will be load combination. Okay, for that just go to load case detail. Okay, click on add and select auto load combination. Okay, select auto load combination. In auto load combination, you need to select a code. Okay, you need to select a code to generate load combination. Okay, now select Indian code and just click on generate load. Okay, it will automatically generate a load combination. Okay, now just click on add and close it. Okay, okay, am I clear until this part? समजलं इथेपर्यंत? Okay, from where you want me to repeat? Okay, last step. Okay, load combination. Okay, for load combination, just go to load case detail. Okay, here you can see a L box. Just click on that. Okay, just click on load case detail and go to add. Okay, काय केलं आपण? इथे लोड केस डिटेल एल असा एक बॉक्स आहे. ओके, कॅपिटल एल लेटर ने इट डिनोट्स लोड केस डिटेल. ओके, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट and click on add. Okay, click on add and go to auto load combination. Okay, go to auto load combination. In auto load combination, we need to select a code. Okay, we need to select a code. Okay, as per our requirement, we need to select code. So select Indian code and click on generate option. Now click on generate option and it will generate 4 load combinations. Okay, हे जे काही 4 load combinations आहेत ते generate करत ते. Okay, and just click on add. Now I will not click on add again, otherwise 4 more load cases will be add in our analysis part. Okay, so I'll just close it. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, clear आहे इथेपर्यंत आता. Okay, good. Okay, now the next step is analysis. Okay, now just go for the analysis part. Okay, just see your structure in rendered view. Okay, this is how our structure looks like. Okay, हे असं स्ट्रक्चर दिसतं. ओके, सपोर्ट याच्यामध्ये आपण डिझाईन नाही करू शकत. ओके, स्टॅड मध्ये आपण सपोर्ट डिझाईन नाही करू शकत, त्यासाठी वेगळं सॉफ्टवेअर आहे स्टॅड फाउंडेशन. त्यामुळे इथे तुम्हाला सपोर्ट दिसणार नाही, राईट? ठीक आहे, just go to analysis, click on analysis and print, or just go to command, go to analysis and click on perform analysis. Okay, okay, now go to analysis. Now click on no print and click on add and click on close. Okay, and the next step, run this program. Okay, now go to analysis and analyze and click on run analysis and check for the 0 error. If it's showing 0 error, you can go for post processing mode. Okay, now just click on apply and okay. Okay, here you can see a displacement. इथे डिस्प्लेसमेंट दिसतंय तुम्हाला? दिसतंय हे डिस्प्लेसमेंट? ठीक आहे, डिस्प्लेसमेंट दिसतंय इथे. हे जे ग्रीन कलर इथे बघा, ग्रीन कलरने दिसतंय. डिस्प्लेसमेंट डिनोट्स बाय ग्रीन कलर. ओके, हे डिस्प्लेसमेंट होतं, इथे थोडंसं डिफ्लेक्शन होतंय, बट इट विल नॉट फेल. ओके, okay, now the next part is, now you can see a bending moment diagram. Okay, इथे bending moment diagram पण दिसते. ठीक आहे, ओके, अजून शेअर फोर्स डायग्राम दिसते. ओके, शेअर फोर्स डायग्राम बघा. ओके, ही जी आहे ब्लू, that indicates a shear force diagram. Okay, that blue indicates, just ignore the green part and focus on the blue part, which shows a shear force. Okay, okay, and the red diagram indicates the bending of particular member. ओके, समजता? ओके, कसं बघायचं हे बेंडिंग आणि शेअर फोर्स? हियर अ शॉर्ट की टू, हे फोकस ऑन कर्सर, हियर अ शॉर्ट की टू नो बेंडिंग मोमेंट, शेअर फोर्स डायग्राम, टॉर्शन. ओके, ठीक आहे. समजलंय? समजलंय हे इथपर्यंत? The next step is to design the structure. Okay, now for design again go to modeling page. Okay, इथे modeling page मध्ये जायचं. Okay, go to modeling page and click on design. Okay, go to modeling page and click on design. Okay, इथे design आहे. ठीक है? And in design select steel. Okay, in design select steel. Okay, here हे आता इथे एक नवीन अशी विंडो तयार होतीये. ठीक आहे? ही अशी विंडो तयार झाली. इन स्टील डिझाइन साठी अशी एक विंडो तयार झाली. इन दॅट दे आर आस्किंग अस टू सिलेक्ट अ कोड. ओके, now as per our requirement we will select IS 800 for steel. Okay, select IS 800 2007 LSD. Okay, okay, now select parameters to design a structure. Okay, आपल्याला स्ट्रक्चर डिझाइन करण्यासाठी काही पॅरामीटर सिलेक्ट करायला लागतील. ओके, सो गो टू सिलेक्ट पॅरामीटर्स and first unselect all these parameters. Okay, first जे काही right side ला parameters आहेत, we need to take all these parameters in left side. For that just click on this double arrow. Okay, now click on this double arrow and select T main and track. Okay, just these two parameters are enough. Okay, and click on OK, and just one more parameter you can add is main. Okay, T main is not that. Okay, just add main and track. These two parameters are enough. Click on OK. Okay, then define the selected parameters. Okay, इथे आपण जे दोन parameters select केले, we just need to define that parameters. Okay, now just click on main, click on add, and this track means आपल्याला if we want our design in, if you want a minimum detail design, click on 0, select parameter as 0. If we want our design at intermediate level, select parameter 1, and if you want our design output at maximum detail level, click on 2. Okay, now I will just click on 2 and just add this and click and close this. Okay, now go to command. Okay, now in command, first command we need to give is to check code. Okay, now just click on check code and add it. Okay, now second command will be member takeoff. Okay, just click on member takeoff and add it. And the last is takeoff. Just select the takeoff command and add it. Okay, and click on close. Okay, now here you can see a question mark. Okay, that question mark indicates we haven't assigned this property, this command to the structure. So just assign it. And to assign, just click on the main 180 and go to assign to view and assign it. Okay, now click on track 2 Go to assign to view and assign it. Now just go to check code, go to assign to view and assign it. Okay, now go to steel member takeoff, go to assign to view and assign it. Now click on steel takeoff, go to assign to view and assign it. Okay, make sure all the parameters get assigned. Okay, and again go to analysis and print, click on no print, click on add, click on close, then analyze, then go to analyze and run the structure. Okay, now again check for the zero error, and if it's showing errors are zero, you can go for post processing mode. Okay, just click on done. Okay, हे बेंडिंग मोमेंट शेअर फोर्स डायग्राम तर आपण आधी बघितली. Now go to beam. Okay, in post processing mode, go to beam and click on unity check. Okay, ha unity check, this unity check should be, this unity check ratio should be between 0.8 to 1. Okay, if it's greater than 1, that means you need to select a higher section. Okay, okay, and that if this unity check is less than 0.8, which that indicates you need to select a lower section than you have already selected one. Okay, okay, now these, for this red members, I will, all these red members are just nothing but beams, so we just need to select higher section for beam. Okay, for that just go to property page. Okay, just go to property page, go to property page. In property page, go to member property of beam and select a higher section. I will now select ISMB 150. Just change it from ISMB 100 to ISMB 150 and close it. Okay, now again go to analyze and run the structure. Okay, now again check for zero error and go to post processing mode. Okay, okay, now go in post processing mode, go to beam and check and unit check. Okay, हे कळालं, समजलं हे कसे आपण मेंबर्स चेंज करायचे, मेंबर्स कसं आले पाहिजेत ते. Am I clear? समजलंय? नेक्स्ट टाइम हे तुम्हाला ओके, पटापट अटेंडन्स द्या. दिले सगळ्यांनी अटेंडन्स? Okay, thank you everyone. We will meet in next lecture.